You look lonely. I can fix that.
Tragedy. What else can I call it?
There comes a point when the noise becomes unbearable. Not loud, just constant. 1,000 opinions, 1,000 distractions, 1,000 directions pulling at the same mind. And eventually, something breaks. Not your body, your focus. You wake up tired. You work without conviction. You move without purpose. The things that once mattered begin to feel distant, heavy, like you're carrying a weight you can't explain. You start questioning everything: the goal, the plan, yourself. And that's when most people panic. They run toward more noise, more distractions, more escapes. But sometimes the answer isn't movement. Sometimes the answer is disappearance. To step away, to retreat, to sit alone with the silence you've been avoiding. Not because you're weak, because you're exhausted, because you've reached the wall. And the wall doesn't care how ambitious you are.
I could do this all day.
Everyone reaches it. The question is, what happens next?
I'm thinking I'm back!
You're building. While everyone else is watching, you're moving. The days become simpler. Wake up, execute, improve, repeat. No drama, no excuses, no dependence on motivation. Just repetition. The kind that changes a man. Weeks pass, then months. And slowly the person who entered the shadows disappears. In his place stands someone sharper, calmer, more dangerous. Not because he talks louder, because he no longer needs to. The results speak, the habits speak, the discipline speaks. And when the world finally notices the change, it looks sudden, but you know the truth. It was built in silence, one difficult day at a time, while nobody was watching.
You made me believe death was coming. Let my nature do the rest, eh? But I am back. Back from under the ground.